I can't stress this enough. Get your footage off the camera card onto the computer as soon as you can after you shoot. Treat your SD card like short-term memory. Why? Because anything could happen to that footage between now and when you decide to finally import that footage off the SD card. Have you ever heard of Murphy's Law? Anything that can go wrong will? Yeah, that's especially true when you're dealing with the tiny little piece of plastic with golden pins on it. I can hear it now. You're exhausted after a long shoot. Oh, I'm so tired. I'll load the footage tomorrow. And then tomorrow turns into next week. Then suddenly a month later, you remember, I had footage I haven't loaded on the computer. But surprise, now you can't find your SD card. Or you mistakenly deleted the footage off the card. Or you kept it in a pants pocket and now your jeans are in the wash. Do you see what I'm getting at? Make sure your footage is safe and sound on your computer so you aren't tied to the SD card. Even if something did happen to the card, that's okay because you have your footage in a good place on your computer. Where on your computer? I feel like there's going to be a video about that. Catch you on the next one.